Good morning and welcome to this beautiful day in Washington, D.C. I'm Anna Fadich with Men's Health Network, and we're here today working out with Congressional Men's Health Caucus, Markwayne Mullin from Oklahoma, and other members of Congress and their staffers. They're around here running their warm-ups, and so we're here to welcome you to this fourth annual workout. Men's Health Network is a national nonprofit organization based here in Washington, D.C., but we do health events, health lectures, and different health screenings across the country. So join us today for this fourth annual Men's Health Caucus workout.
I'm excited to be here. Markwayne's a very good friend of mine. I work out every morning beside Markwayne, but not with Markwayne. He has his own little workout group. They do a little too much cardio for me. I'm more in the weight room and doing things like that, but I'm looking forward to today, and hopefully I can survive the workout.
Congresswoman Gabbard, thank you for joining us today. This is the fourth annual event that we're doing. I know you've worked out with us in the past. So tell us, what are you expecting for today?
Well, I have the pleasure of working out with Markwayne Mullin most mornings of the week. So it's great to be outside, great to join congressional staffers. We've got a bunch of people here from Hawaii who are visiting, who are out. So look forward to a great workout and a lot of fun.
Well, you know, we do this almost every day. In the House gym, Democrats and Republicans get together and work out in the morning. And, you know, there are a lot fewer differences when you're facing off on doing push-ups on the ground.
Right.
So this was a tough workout, but I don't think it was quite as bad as last year. I don't know, maybe Markwayne's getting a little old.
Oh, maybe. I wouldn't tell him that, though. We are joined here with the wife of Congressman Markwayne Mullin, who also did the workout this morning. Can you please tell us what it's like to be the wife of Congressman Mullin and his crazy love for fitness, and I'm sure you have that as well.
Yes. So honestly, it works out really well. We've been, today's our 21st anniversary. And so I would say one of the core things with us, first of all, is the Lord, but we have a love of working out. We just want to stay fit. We've always been competitive growing up. And then we have 5 kids that are super duper competitive. And that just kind of pushes he and I, because our kids are so active. We want to make sure that we set the example and don't just expect them to do it and then us just kind of sit back and watch. So our kids really keep us motivated and pushing, and want to set a good example for them.
So we are here joined with Congressman Markwayne Mullin, one of the co-sponsors of the Men's Health Caucus and the leader of the Congressional Men's Health Workout. Congressman Mullin, so this is the 4th annual event here that we do with the staffers and other congressional members. I know you do this workout on your own most mornings. Can you tell us what's changed in the past 4 years?
You know, we see a different group of members coming in. We got our core guys, but the group seems to, you know, you have retirements, you have people moving on to different offices. But we see a lot more bipartisanship than we have in the past. Used to, it was a little bit more Republican members than Democrats. We always have had a bipartisan workout, but now we have just as many Democrats as we do Republicans. And what's neat about that is we see the staff interacting.
So much is said about the rising cost of health care. There's so much that we can do in our everyday lives to reduce the money that we're paying into the healthcare system just by focusing on that preventive health, focusing on what kind of food we're putting in our bodies and how we're exercising and taking care of our bodies every day.
Your children have a tendency to mimic you. You got a bad mouth, you're probably going to hear some bad words coming out of their mouth. They mimic our habits, good and bad. And I think this is a good habit to just kind of set the day. And our kids, they do get up and work out with us.
Well, thank you so much again for everything that you've done, and we look forward to next year's event.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you for all your help in this too. Appreciate it.